Hi guys, today is Thursday, May 7th, and I want to tell you about your lessons for today. Here we go. So Thursday, May 7th, today you are going to watch the last phonics video. This is the last phonics video ever because we are finished with our phonics unit for first grade. So watch the video and then do an episode of Headsprout or play a few games on Spelling City. Here's the link. We're working on Unit 31, Silent Consonants. You are going to listen to another reading lesson right here. After watching the lesson, you are going to click right here on this link and you are going to take a short quiz. I would love for this quiz to be done on your own without parents' help. They can help you get on. But I think that you will be able to do this on your own. I've given you more directions and explaining about the quiz right here in the reading video. You're also going to be reading 2 books on Level Up and taking some quizzes. And if you have not yet finished your writing assignment for this week, writing an informational piece on plants, please do that and send me a picture. Have a great day learning. Don't forget, tomorrow is virtual field day. So there's some more information about virtual field day on the Smyrna website. And we've also given a little bit of information on Dojo. Have a great day learning. Bye.